All right, bookbinders. Now I'm going to show you how to measure and cut a piece of paper using an Xacto knife. Now I know the inclination is going to be to try to cut many pages at one time, but you really want to try to resist that inclination and cut 1 or 2 pages at a time. It's probably a better idea to just do one at a time, do it carefully, and not waste any paper. So I have a sheet of paper here that is 10 inches in length, and I want to cut it to the halfway point. So again, I'm going to measure and put a mark at the halfway at the top of the sheet, and measure and mark and put a halfway at the bottom of the sheet. Now I use a drafting pencil to do all of this stuff, but use a sharpened light pencil like an HB. Don't have a heavy hand because you don't want the marks to be prevalent or difficult to remove. Once I do that, I'm gonna line up my ruler on a cutting surface. Always cut on a cutting surface. Self-healing cutting surface is a very good investment for professionals and students. 1. 2, you want to make sure that your Xacto blade is sharp and the tip is not broken. Okay, and how you check for a blade sharpness is that you just touch your fingernail, and if it catches, you know that it's sharp. So now I have my ruler lined up with my very light tick marks, and I'm going to take my blade and just gently score, score, score until the 2 pieces separate. And I have 2 cut edges that are perfectly square and perfectly clean.